In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp. Even though WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption, your chats can still be exposed if someone has physical access to your phone or if a session is linked on a computer or tablet that you don't control. So today, we're focusing on spotting unauthorized linked devices, recognizing unusual account activity, and identifying signs of spyware that could be running on your phone. Start by checking for unauthorized linked devices. This is the most common way people read chats remotely through WhatsApp web or the desktop app. On iPhone, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then Linked Devices. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, and choose Linked Devices. Review the list carefully. You will see entries such as a browser name and platform, like Google Chrome on Windows or a Mac. If anything looks unfamiliar or you don't actively use it, tap that device and log out immediately. This action only ends the remote session. It won't delete your chats or affect your phone. If you recently used a shared or work computer, be extra cautious. Sessions can remain active longer than you expect. Next, watch for unusual activity that suggests someone else is interacting with your account. If you normally see blue ticks and messages are marked as read before you open them, that can indicate someone is reading them from a linked device. Look for any sent messages in your chat history that you don't remember sending. Also, check your profile details if your profile picture, display name, or about info has changed without your input. Treat that as a warning sign. These ghost actions often come from an active session on another device. Finally, consider the possibility of spyware if someone has handled your phone directly. Monitoring apps can run in the background and cause noticeable performance changes. Rapid battery drain is a common clue, especially if your usage hasn't changed. Overheating when you are not doing anything intensive can also point to background activity. Open your phone settings and browse the full app list on many phones. This is under Settings. Then Apps and look for anything you don't remember installing. Be cautious of vague names like Track, Sync, or Monitor. If an app looks suspicious, note its name and icon and verify whether it's legitimate before taking action. By reviewing linked devices, staying alert to unusual account behavior, and keeping an eye on your phone's performance and installed apps, you can quickly spot signs that someone may be monitoring your WhatsApp. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.